So by putting the weight on that right leg, that's releasing pressure, and it's a way to ask them to come forward. So when the ears go floppy, so sideways, that's often a sign of a little bit of unsureness, and it could have just been that she was transitioning those ears in a different way. There, floppy, there's the floppy. So sometimes she does that, and that can be part of her character, her baseline. So it's interesting to watch that. So although she's very, very engaging, she reserves the right. It's funny, she kind of stretches to reserve the right of distance. And the play is a nice feature to have, to be able to keep that going. It brings out character versus putting in full, come this way, come this way to the bar, and step up on the bar. Step up on the bar, yeah. I'll tell you what's happening in a second. If we luck out, so you've got a tad of an issue, and I'll tell you what it is, but I don't want to create it worse. Okay, she's got to chill out. She's trying to kill it because it won't go. And hang in there, love. So what you want to do is send good energy. Send good energy, because I'll tell you in a second what's happened. Still send good energy. Good job. And keep sending energy, Carol. Do your race master stuff. Good girl, babe. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good step on that line. Good job. Good. All right, good job, guys. So what happens is they clamp down. And so you might think it's fun. So there's a degree of play that's good. And then what happens is with a baby, they clamp down. And then the adrenaline runs and they can't open their mouth. So you could go, okay, why did she just drop in it? Because she can't. The adrenaline's taken over and she's clamped down. So the reason we can let them play, but we tend to keep a hold of it, it was unclear she was going to do that, is so we can pull it out the mouth. All Tracy can do is get out, hence you've got to be able to be mobile enough to get out. And then at that point, because she could do anything, and luckily it's ended well, and the cool thing is she had great self-preservation. She reared on the spot, she never touched the bars, she never slammed in the bars, she never went to hurt herself. That's fantastic.